I'm Dawn from LoftyFiber.
And I'm Kira, and we're excited to present you with our first Euroflax linen weave-along.
So we've got a couple of projects picked out for you, and it doesn't matter what your level of experience. The one that for people that are a little more experienced is in our 32 linen, and we've got this pattern picked out, and 2 colors in the warp, different colors in the weft, totally different effects, lots of fun.
And if you're just getting started out weaving, or if you're looking for something simple, we have these towels that are made with 2 colors of linen. So you've got one color that's neutral, and then you have another color for your accent color. And you can do this on a multi-shaft loom, so a floor loom or a table loom. And depending on the width of your loom, you could do this one on a rigid heddle, or we have another one that's designed for a more narrow rigid heddle loom.
So this will be on our new learning platform. You can find us at learn.loftyfiber.com. We'll be having lots of videos. We hope you'll join us. We'll have some Zoom sessions, helping each other out. Should be a lot of fun. And we'll do a lot of talking about the 36 colors so you can choose your own project.
And we look forward to weaving with you.
Bye.
Bye.